Hello, hello. Okay. It seems I blew up the whole thing. Okay, so has been long I don't stream, and the reason I wasn't able to stream is because I was taking care of additional stuff. Uh, one of the partitions where I have my OBS setup died, and I had to find backups of my previous setups. So I was fortunately enough to find a copy of my setup, so I was able to recover my. Let me show you here. I have here my trusty touch portal. So with the touch portal, I can do many things. I don't need probably a Elgato Stream Deck. Pretty much, this can allow me to jump into many things I do when streaming or doing my stuff. I had to delete that out of Creative Suite. I am not using that anymore. Yep, yep. See, so so pretty much. I don't know if you can guys see it, but oh, that's maybe it's because I didn't put the green screen. Later I'm gonna put it. But let's start because time is short and it's weekend. It's Friday, and let me see one thing now that I can monitor myself. Test, test, test. Oh, there should be the other window that opens that. Okay, so let me clean up a couple of stuff I have out of here. Because I hear myself in the background and it should be probably this one. Oh, I didn't kill it. Okay, looks like a. I hope I didn't mute my microphone over there. I definitely hear a faint sound that is probably me or not me. I had to find out what is the tab. Probably here. No, this is the old chat. I can barely hear it, but I believe it's around. Could be my dashboards, could be something else. I have to close all my windows because pretty much I'm not doing anything else outside of the chat. Okay. Um, let me find. Okay, so in theory, the sound of or the music should be just going out to YouTube. Well, not the music, but the audio. I'm just gonna confirm that that is true. Let me see. Yeah, definitely I can hear myself somewhere. Oh, maybe it's because the monitor and output. Just yeah, monitor off. Yeah, that's probably the case. Yeah, now it's gone. It was just my monitor. So if I put the monitor on output, I can yes, I can hear myself. So I'm gonna say here is monitor off, so I can hear myself. I had to probably lower a bit the music for this one. I just need to track myself how I am doing. Yep. Then pull up test, 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 test. Yeah, it's too loud. Yeah. No, I cannot hear anything now. Maybe 40% is gonna be good. I know what to do. Since the audio is 100% here, the only thing that I need to do in my WinUp is just to lower the volume a bit more, probably to 10%. Oh, wow. These two are fighting. Maybe I have to change this to vertical layout. Yeah. So I can judge how much I had to push the volume. Okay. So let's start on what I have prepared. So let's go back to code. Definitely, it took me a while to set up many of the stuff that I had. Oh, I don't have Winamp here. Oops. Okay. You may not hear any music here, so I'm gonna say here. Let's put some music here is here. Yep. So, welcome to my new IDE. I took the time just to make it like a more fun for me to do it. I don't want like a very stoic style when I am coding, and rather I use a retro topic that I really like to use. So there are a couple things that I want to see, and is I may have to go over the tutorial again on how to push it privately and start to work in a side project that I have some sort of delay. But this pretty much is working as expected as a version 0.0.0.1. So uh, I want to see. Let me open a new window here because why not? And I'm not seeing my chat, so I may have to go over here and pop off my chat. Hello. It looks like my my other chat is not really being helping here. Let me see. Pop up. Pop chat. Oh, oh, there you go. Now it is showing in YouTube. Okay, so this is perfect. But it's gonna take a while for me to grab all this stuff and make sure everything works. That's totally fine. Now I have access over the whole chat. Okay, so let's start by changing. Oh, should I put Bebas new into this because I don't like the size of the font? Let me see. I may have to do a couple of stuff now that I have here. Let me go into Studio very quickly and I go to where I have my alerts because the alerts contain something that is very important. Aha, this thing. Okay, now let me see. No, this is the Xbox chat properties. I'm gonna say here. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna verify that my text show up in the way I really intended. Oh, nice. It's unfortunate that Bebas New doesn't have a font that has lowercase. Maybe Oswald. That's what I'm gonna do. I I do think I have Oswald, right? I have to check if I have Oswald on my Google Fonts here or install in my computer. Let me see. Fonts. I'm gonna say here Oswald. Open Sans, Orbitron. OSPD? What is ah, personally not liking the font, but I need to put Oswald here. I know I'm gonna say here Google Fonts Oswald. No. Yeah, it is easy to read, but I'm gonna do that later on. I'm pretty much satisfied with what I have here. So, first research of the day is to get into YouTube. Because the first thing I need to do is understand how I'm gonna publish stuff. I'm gonna say here nx, well, no, nx publish, publish package to npm. And I prefer my friends directly from the NX. But it was 2 years ago. So basically you have just to publish your packages. Not now. I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna automatize that a little bit later. And I may have to get into the NX channel. I'm gonna watch this video later. Because if actually shoutouts to Tine. He give me some guidelines on my package for nx-electron, but now I have to learn how to do the stuff by myself. On the other hand, I'm gonna probably just go over here nx. I'm gonna say here in the documentation. I'm gonna say here publish. Publish your NX plugin. Exactly what I am looking for. Maintain a publish plugin. So this is what I need to do. I saw something that way that NX publish my plugin will automatically builds. Okay. Follow the prompt from npm and that's it. List your NX plugin. Okay, so I'm gonna say here. Oh, thank you, Poppy. Oh yeah. My son give me. I have to reward him. One moment, guys. So it's good that if we have kids, when they do good, we have to recognize them when they do good things. But if they don't, well, we still have to help them. So I had to reward my son. One moment. Yeah. Anyways, I don't want to go over the weekend, and I don't want to live stream on the weekend. It's pretty much it's family time for the, and I just want to do as much as I can today. So according to this, is just something very simple. Publish my plugin, which automatically builds this probably from npm, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do first is probably create my identity in npm. Well, again, I didn't have that. I'm gonna create a new tab, sorry, npm yes, and then I'm gonna create an account, sign in. Oh, I think I have an account, but I don't think I have. Oh, okay. I'm gonna create an account anyways. So we're gonna create this outside. Hmm. And what I need to do is just to generate a new password. This is a resource object. And then what? Ah, so we need to do something else here. Oh, we use that from here. Moment. Mhm. Uh, yes, I need to configure to FA. Okay, first save. Okay. I need to set up my FA. Um, uh, Plan B. Still hear the music too loud. Oh my, yeah, it's still too loud. Yeah, that should suffice. Now, what I want to do, I don't think I have anything about npm here. Yeah, I don't have np. Ah, I'm gonna delete that one. Hmm, uh, it's all this one. Huh? What if I want to do anything here? Maybe settings, accounts. Yes, now finally we can remove the one that I don't need. Now, where is that window? Now let's see if it works here. Ah, there we go. Okay, it's already okay. So we are set. Now I can be able to save my package. And let's try. Okay. And pretty much it's gonna take a little bit or a little while. So let's go over the tutorial and I'm going off because I have things to do here at home. Okay, according to this, the only thing that I have to do is nx-publish my plugin version 1.0.0 and it's gonna do all the other stuff. First, you have to modify the package registration version by yourself or with a tool when it's a version pump. Okay. After that, then you can install your plugin like any other npm package. So let's let's go. Let's go to the pool. So and let's go with publish. Let's see. Next publish uh, nx-electron-vite. Zero point zero. Okay. I'm assuming that this is the only thing I need to do. And after that, I have to list this here. Okay. So let's go. Three, two, one. Mm. Cannot find configuration for test and election with publish. What? Okay. Why? What is doing this? In order to use your plugin in our workspace or share your community, you need to publish it in an npm registry. To publish your plugin, follow these steps. Which automatically builds my plugin. Actually, it is not right. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna say here in the package.js over in the project. Let me see. Targets, publish, link, test. Cannot find configuration for the electron publish. There is something wrong here. When I say nx version, did something change? I'm gonna g nx at latest. Did something change? Okay. Now let's see what it says. Local is 90.4, 90.3.1. Weird. Okay. So why my package? Okay, a local public. Generator, yes. Executor, yes. Testing, yes. In order to use it for another workspace or sharing the community, you need to publish it. Why? I did that. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay. Next, okay. Let me see if there is a npm. By default, next we'll search an npm package to the default collection. Oh, add a minimal npm package. Okay, now. Hmm? Maybe there is an nx release. Today your local registry set up to use nx release. Get started with nx release. Okay, let's start with that. Initialize nx release on your workspace. Okay, so configure projects to release. NX releases use NX powerful project graph to understand your project's dependencies. So for example, to release just the projects in the package directory, I have to go here. Let's see. Oh, no, I have to see if I have any changes. Not exactly this, but I'm tempted to just to add it to the git ignore this because it's not pertinent to my workspace. So git ignore, let's say here, this code. Yeah, ignore my settings. Yeah, I feel the settings is like a npm run commit. I hope nothing weird changes. So it was like a let's say here remove what is this? Settings JSON from workspace. Yeah, and in theory it should be fine. I have to change how this file is pointing. Because right now, well, you hear I turn on the noise canceling. Once I hear git push, and I'm going to pull this into the main workspace. I'm gonna open my GitHub, and from there we're gonna start to work. Oh no, I had to merge this into develop. From develop, I merge into where are my repos? Mhm. Now I'm gonna pull this into develop. Uh, add an oh, I only have main. Okay, so I may have to probably create the branches right now from the main. Let me see, because there should be a development branch. Now let me see if I have anything still here. Nope, nope. So I have to create the develop branch. Okay, and I have to create the. Oh no, release is gonna be another animal that I'm gonna do later on. But the main source for release is gonna be for the moment main. So let's play with that in mind. So we have to just refresh over here. And this goes into develop. Adds nx. Oh, beautiful. 109 files. I hope I don't enter in some sort of conflict with this. Or resolve conflicts. Practically the same thing. Okay, now I need to solve this one. Build and this and Angular cannot be in the build. And mark as resolved. Yep. Now what I'm gonna do is squash and merge. And now from here we're gonna start to potentially build the other stuff. Okay. Now my question here is, should I merge this inside? Yes. So I'm gonna create probably a release. No, I have to get into main. Save. And then squash and merge. Ah, I had to wait for this one. One security hotspot. What is that? Oh, uh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Position interpreter when executing is security sensitive. Oh, I cannot do this. It made asking me to do this. Combine solution. Okay. Oh, I cannot squash and merge. Okay. So now I have to pull develop. Now let's pull develop and let's continue. I say here, you check out develop, git pull. Oh, git pull force. Git pull origin develop force. There you go. So now I have to merge this into main, and from main we're going to start to build other stuff. Okay. Now we're gonna pull request and merge into main. Oh yeah, there should be a protected role. There you go. So now we are in main. So let's pull main. Okay. So now that we are here, we're gonna start to do the first release. I'm gonna say nx. Let's go back here. And initiate the next release on your works. Install nx. Okay. So configure the project to release. So I'm gonna put this aside because I need to read it in a separate window while I'm doing this. So in the nx.json, I have to say, oh, hold on. Do you have a release here? Oh no! Projects. Oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do this. For example, to release just the projects in the package directory, we do this. Okay. Let's say here release. Of course, we have releases. So I'm gonna go back to develop and let's create a new branch. Now let's create a new branch. Okay, here, so to what is this? Um, Setup release. And then when I set up release, I go and do the other stuff. So now we have this over there. And let's start. According to the documentation, if you have a mixed workspace in which also you have some applications, etc., you can configure releases target projects you want to release. Configure which projects to release, adding the release projects property to nx.json. So it has to be over here. I'm gonna say here projects. So it is not here. So we're gonna work on that. Oh, release. I'm gonna say here projects. I'm gonna say here everything that is packages, everything that is inside there. Okay. Now I have to do a first release. So to preview my release, I'm gonna say here nx release first release. By run. So, oh, okay. So now it looks like a something. Resolving package. So we're going to say here we are going into a major one. It's a version one. So this is going to do. Now, preview the results. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Oh, actually, because that configuration was not there. So, okay, let me see, npm commit. This is a build. Okay, adding build. I don't know, was publishing, right? I don't know, adding release settings for packages in nx.json. From here, I'm gonna. Oh, I had to change how I do the testing. I'm gonna say here git push, and now let's do. I should be able to see something moving out. Let me see. Let me see. So if we go into code, I'm gonna see that this is going into develop. And from develop it goes to main. We're gonna say here, this is setup. And later on, I'm gonna add the configuration I use for my Git projects. Right now, I'm running it like nothing. You can see here, setting up the packages, publishing a configuration, nx.json, and yeah, squash and merge into develop. And let's pull main. Oh, what? Now let's go new pull request from develop. Should be just only one file. Hmm. Develop to main. Uh-huh. Of conflicts. Yes. Part of this. Mark is resolved. Made merge. Let's pull this in. Now we can finally pull. Wait, I don't need this. Okay, so I guess we are ready. What to do? Let's run this again. Oh, it's just that difference. Oh, it's for a new enter. Okay. Uh, could be for the next one, but not now. And later on, I'm gonna start to fix the issue with that. Okay, let me have to hide this. I don't see why people has to see this. I have to be more careful on my content. Okay, let me close it. Okay, so here we go. Let's go for our first release. No, don't dare you do this. Daemon process terminated and close the staging. Oh, come on. I want to do this in the Mac. These are all changes, yes. NX daemon terminated and close the connection. You say publish. Otherwise, I had to go outside. I had to do this, run this in the terminal. If what is causing Visual Studio Code to make NX, oh yes. Based on your copy, the following do not have the NX release published target. This is the cause by. The following projects were matched for publishing but do not have the NX release published target specified. This is usually caused by not having an appropriate plugin structure and it's installing which shall appropriate. Oh, okay. So time to double check reference. I'm gonna say here NX rocks. So you have here packages and let's see any, let's say Flutter. Oh, okay. So let's go over that. So I'm gonna check my project.json. And effectively, I don't have the NX release published here. So I'm gonna go and add such target here and verify that I don't have anything funny that I am not missing. Oh, yes, release options. Release version generate. Now I have to add, oh, by the way, 1 second. The project.json tells me something, no, nx.json. Oh, this release contains more things that I. Should I do this? Should I copy this and try to to shoot myself on the feet? I'm gonna do this later. Okay. I will continue this next week. It's weekend, and I really want to spend time with my family. Okay. Uh, Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a great night, guys. Thank you. See you later.